lesson. She gave everything, she was such a blessing. But from day to day, she would change her ways. Give me her love, then she'd take it away, take it away, take it away. Just like the reaper, thought she was the one for me, turned out she was the sleeper. Sleeping on me in this game of love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a video I should have uploaded like a while back, and I've been sick, so it was hard for me to upload and edit it, so here I am. But anyways, this is going to be my green look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to be using the two Jaclyn Hill palettes for this look. I'm going to be using this green from this palette, and I really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and give this video a like and share if you guys can. It means a lot. So I am going to apply that green color onto my crease, and I'm going slowly because I didn't apply any setting powder under the eyes, and I'm just working this color right onto my crease, and I am taking my time. I decided not to fast forward this video because I wanted to share and show you guys how long it takes me to actually apply these colors. And yeah, so I'm just removing the excess fallout as I go. So you do want to take your time. I did have a little bit of a problem getting that color to like really pop. So then after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply this cream from the other palette, and I'm going to apply a little bit of setting spray onto my brush just to help me apply that color and for me not to get that much of a fallout. So I'm just going to apply this right into the outer corner of the lid, and I'm bringing it midway, not all the way. So I'm just placing this right there, and I'm just going to make sure that it's all over that outer corner of the eye. If you want, you can definitely go back and apply more powder, more shadow, and just to set it. That's what I did here. I went back and applied a little bit. So after that, we're going to go ahead and apply this gold shadow from that same Jaclyn Hill Bolt palette, this one right here. We're going to go ahead and apply a little bit of setting spray onto our brush again, and then we're going to go ahead and put that color right into the inner corner, mixing it in the middle. So you just want to take your time doing this. This color is very beautiful, you guys. Like, it is beautiful. I really like this one. This one is one of the favorite shadows from those palettes. I can definitely see myself using that in a lot of makeup looks. And excuse my voice, I am sick again. Like, I feel like I got better, and then all of a sudden one of my kids came back home sick, then I got sick again, and then I was getting better, ended up going to the emergency room with my sister, and then I got sick again because everybody was sick in there. So yeah, so I'm going back with another olivey color, and I did apply in the inner corner of my eyes a Whisper of Guilt from m.a.c to highlight, and then I'm going with the olivey color all over my bottom lash line with a Morphe pencil brush. And then I'm going to go with this darker green, and I'm going to apply this right into the outer corner just to kind of smoke it out in the outer. Then I'm going with this orangey yellowy shade, and I'm going to reapply it right onto, like, to blend out the harsh line of the olivey green, just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. You can definitely go back and reapply the colors if you have to. Definitely, I always suggest you guys go and do that. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going back and reapplying all the colors, because sometimes I overblend a little bit. So yeah. All right, so I'm just cleaning out any fallout or anything that I might have fallen onto my face. And then I'm going to apply my lashes. These lashes are from the Bold Cosmetics. You can definitely use Pretty Grace for some money off. I'll list the discount down below for you guys if you guys are interested. I really love their lashes. They have a bunch of different styles, and I cannot get enough of using them on my videos. So definitely check them out. If you guys are interested in getting some different lashes, definitely check them out. I will link them down below, and you can definitely use my code Pretty Grace for some money off. Yeah, so I'm just making sure that the eyelash is really sticked on there as close as I can. And then I'm just applying a little bit of the Milk Makeup mascara, and I'm just going to make sure that they are coated really nice and make sure that they pop, because I want them to pop. And oh my god, I feel like I need to cough so bad. Being sick sucks, you guys, seriously. All right, so I'm just going back and applying a little bit more of a highlight. Oh my god, I want to cough so bad. So here I'm just using the Molly Cosmetics liquid lipstick. I haven't used their products in a long time. I haven't received anything from them in a long time, but I found this in my drawer and I was like, let's just try something different, because I usually use the same products over and over. So I do have to go through my stuff and kind of get rid of stuff that I already use too much. So, and yeah, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.